As a passionate artist and designer, I'm always on the lookout for cutting-edge tools that can enhance my creative process. The VEVOR Vinyl Cutter 34-inch bundle caught my attention with its impressive features and promise of high-precision cutting. In this in-depth review, I will delve into the capabilities and performance of this machine, exploring its cutting capacity, stability, digital control options, compatibility, versatility, and efficiency. Cutting capacity. With a generous cutting capacity, the VEVOR Vinyl Cutter 34-inch bundle opens up a world of possibilities. Its maximum paper feet of 34.3/870 mm and cutting width of 30.7/780 mm ensure that even larger projects can be accomplished with ease. What truly sets this machine apart is its cutting precision of +/0.4/0.1 mm and paper feed precision of 118/3 m. These precise measurements guarantee accurate and intricate cuts, allowing your creative visions to come to life with meticulous detail. Strong stability. To ensure consistent and reliable performance, the VEVOR Vinyl Cutter 34-inch bundle incorporates a D-type motherboard and 4 MB high-speed cache memory. This combination of hardware ensures stability and smooth operation even during demanding cutting tasks. The inclusion of double spring pinch rollers and an aluminum knurling stick further contribute to the machine's stability, preventing paper feed deviation over long distances. This feature is invaluable when working on large-scale projects or extended cutting sessions. Digital control. Equipped with an illuminated LCD and a large control panel, the VEVOR Vinyl Cutter 34-inch bundle offers intuitive digital control over your cutting process. The adjustable cutting pressure range of 10-500 allows you to achieve optimal results on various materials. Additionally, the cutting speed can be adjusted from 10 to 800 mm/s, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different project requirements. This level of customization ensures that you have complete control over your designs, enabling you to bring your artistic vision to life with precision and efficiency. High compatibility. The VEVOR Vinyl Cutter 34-inch bundle boasts high compatibility, making it accessible for users with diverse needs. It supports DM/PL and HB/GL languages and is compatible with both COM and USB ports. Whether you prefer a traditional serial connection or the convenience of a USB interface, this machine has you covered. Moreover, it seamlessly works with popular operating systems, including Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, and 11, with the ability to import various file formats, such as SVG and PDF. You can easily incorporate your existing designs into your cutting projects. High efficiency. Efficiency is a key factor in any creative endeavor, and the VEVOR Vinyl Cutter 34-inch bundle excels in this aspect. The large paper feed and cutting width enable you to complete projects in less time, without compromising on precision. The D-type motherboard and stepper motors work in perfect harmony, delivering optimal performance and reducing downtime. This efficient workflow allows you to focus on unleashing your creativity and achieving exceptional results. Conclusion. The VEVOR Vinyl Cutter 34-inch bundle is a true powerhouse that caters to the needs of artists, designers, and creative enthusiasts. Its impressive cutting capacity, stability, digital control options, compatibility, versatility, and efficiency make it a valuable tool in unlocking your creative potential.